Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are gathered to support our national team as they face Bahrain. This match is not only about football, but also about pride, passion and the spirit of the nation. The match between Indonesia and Bahrain is not just a football game, but a symbol of spirit and national pride. When the Indonesian players step onto in the field, they carry the hopes and the praise of the international belief that the Garuda never give up. Although the opponent may have strength and experience, Indonesia has the course, fighting spirit and the unwavering pride of the red and white. By playing with heart, focus, and confidence, we believe Indonesia can show its true quality and bring home the best result. Terima kasih. Definition of simple present. In this slide, you can see that the simple present tense is used to talk about things that happen regularly, facts that are always true, daily routines, and general truth. This tense is commonly used to describe actions that are not limited to the present moment, but better things that happen rapidly or generally. Functions of the simple present. The simple present has several functions. First, it is used explain habit or activity with ordinary. Second is ordinary routine. It is stated for fact or general truth that do not change. Lastly, is used to refer to fixed schedule such as school or the transportation timetables. Positive sentence structure. For positive sentence, we use the best form of the verb with subject I, you, we, they. However, when the subject is he, she, or it, we must add or s to the verb. This is a key rule in the simple present. There are some explained to help understand the pattern. Negative sentence structure. For negative sentence, we use do not or don't with I, you, we, they. For he, she, it, we use doesn't to or doesn't. After don't or doesn't, the verb goes back is the best form. So it does not take the she ending anymore. Yes or no question structure. From yes, no question replace do or does at the beginning. Just do with I, you, we, they, and thus with he, she, it. The verb remains in the base from this question can be answered with yes or no. Habits. We use the simple present to express habit or activities that happen regularly. The example, he saw repeated daily before, such as waking up or going to school. General truth. This tense also express general truth. Facts that are always correct and do not change. For example, natural facts, sensitive facts, or universal truths. Schedules. The simple present is also used for the schedules or the timetables, even though schedule for to the future. We still use simple present because the schedule is fresh and certain. Adding is or is to verb. Then the subject is he, she, it. We add or is to the verb. We use is or for post verb and the is for verb ending either u, she, is, x, and z. Pronouns and verbs. This slide summarizes the rule for I, you, we, they. We use the base from the verb. For he, she, it, we add or is to the verb. Adverb of frequency. This word tell how often something happens. They are very commonly used with the simple present to describe routines. Example with adverbs of frequency. This example shows how we place adverb of frequency before the verb. They have give more detail about how often the action happens. Signal words. Signal words are keywords that help us recognize the simple present. When we see this word in the sentence, it often indicates the action is done regularly. Positive sentence example. Here are example of the positive sentence using the correct form of the verb based on the subject. Negative sentence explains. This example shows how to form negative sentence using don't and doesn't. Question sentence example. This example shows how to ask question using do and does, followed by the base form of the verb. Short answers. Short answers are used to respond quickly to yes or no question. The answering using do, does, don't, or doesn't, depending on the subject. Common mistakes. Students often forget to add she and is for the he, she, it, and sometimes use the wrong auxiliary verb. This slide. So typical mistake and the correct forms. Simple present in daily activity. This slide shows how the simple present is commonly using is everyday life. This example shows repeat daily action, which is the main use of this tense. Summary. To summarize it, we use the simple present for habit, routines, and general truth. We add for he, she, it, and use to or does to from negative and question. Thank you.